Welcome to Science Lab, where ideas spark and experiments come alive.
Every day, millions of cars battle a silent enemy, potholes. But what if we could shrink the problem down and see the physics at play? Welcome to the Lego Lab, where bricks meet real engineering. This tiny Lego car faces a giant challenge. Its mission: cross a pothole without losing control. To do that, it needs the same thing every real car depends on: suspension. Every Lego test hides a truth about the real world. Behind every bounce, there's a battle against physics. And every time we fix a pothole or design a better suspension, we're not just engineering roads, we're mastering motion. 3 different designs, 1 harsh terrain. Without suspension, the car loses contact instantly. With springs, it bounces but recovers. And with full damping, smooth, stable, and controlled. Modern vehicles use advanced systems: air suspension, adaptive dampers, even magnetic fluids that react in milliseconds. But it all began with one idea: keep the wheels steady and the ride safe.
Science Lab, where ideas spark and experiments come alive.